How to enable or disable graphic acceleration in Opera GX. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can enable or disable graphic acceleration in our Opera GX. So let's go ahead and look out on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So in order to do that and follow up the process in order to enable or disable the graphic acceleration in the Opera GX, you just need to head over and open up your Opera GX and click on the Opera icon at the top left corner. After going here over there, you're gonna locate the option called settings here. Just go ahead and open up your settings, which is below the developer options on your screen. Just click on it and open up your settings of your Opera GX. After opening up the settings, you're gonna go ahead and on the left side, you're gonna locate the option called browser here. Just go ahead and go and here at the side of the screen, after going to the browser, you're gonna scroll down a bit until you're able to find this option called system here. So you can find this use graphic acceleration when available. You may just find this toggle option. You're gonna go ahead and turn this off, and you will be finding an option called relaunch. Just relaunch it, and again you can launch and enable it. So that is how you basically do it. Follow the steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and then thank you for watching this video.